Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm 9 years old and I've had celiac since I was 2. And I'm really excited to open this box of cookies from the Gluten Free Cookie Factory. Man, there are a lot of cookies in here. Let's see. This is a oatmeal cream pie Wookie. This is a chocolate chip cookie. This is an I Love Heart Cookie Chocolate Wookie. This is a vanilla chocolate chip ice cream Wookie. This is a vanilla buttercream Wookie. This is a free nut butter Wookie. And these are lemon sunrise cookies. So I'm going to start with the chocolate chip cookies. Yeah, these are good. These are good. Yeah. The rest of this. Yeah, these are good. These are so good. What? So I'm going to move on to the next cookie. This is a vanilla buttercream Wookie. Yeah, this falls apart really easy. Very good. Very good. Not bad. This ain't bad. So this is a vanilla chocolate chip ice cream Wookie. Can't wait to try this. So this is like chocolate chip cookies with like vanilla ice cream in it. It like never melts, I think. This is really good. Probably the best one yet. This is definitely the best one yet. Probably the best one yet. Let's see, this is a free nut butter cookie. Oh, I'm starting to get full. It looks like this falls apart easy too, though. Pretty good. Let's see. This is an oatmeal cream pie Wookie. Let me see. This is hard to get out. Kind of squishy, so I think this is kind of hard to get out. Well. They're not my favorite, but they're pretty good. Now this is an I Love Heart chocolate Wookie. Oh, this one falls pretty easy too. I don't know. Not really my favorite, but it's good. So the last one is a lemon sunrise cookie. Second without opening it the wrong way. Oh, just tastes like lemons. Just tastes like a lemon. It's pretty good though. Okay, these are all the cookies. Thanks for watching.